All right, class, any questions before we head to GAF?
Mr. Sakaitis, what's this?
That's one of the original GAF Viewmasters, David. Put up your eyes and take a look.
Awesome.
Did you know a company that makes roofing products today once helped create movie magic? Let's take a look at where GAF started.
GAF stands for General Aniline and Film. We actually used to be part of a film industry. We were the leading provider for film for Disney, and then we actually provided the Viewmaster from the 1970s to the 1980s through that time. We use the same equipment or similar equipment, and we kind of evolved over time using that equipment in our current processes.
So what's so cool about manufacturing anyway?
The cool thing about manufacturing is you get to see something that you made at the end of the day. So every day we're making a product for somebody else.
And it's not just about making things, it's about learning and growing every single day.
Manufacturing is cool because it just gives you an opportunity to see something different every day. It's the same process, but there's always something new. And the people alone, just watching them grow and understand how the processes work and just how flexible they can be and what they can learn on a daily basis is impressive.
You might think you need special skills to work in manufacturing, but that's not true. At GAF, learning happens on the job, and everyone gets the chance to succeed.
Everything can be taught hands-on as you learn the job. We've had people that come in with 2 to 5 years, 20 years experience, but we've had people come right out of high school with 0 experience. So you don't really need any skill sets. Everything can be learned as you go.
At GAF, teamwork and support makes work feel like a second home.
We are like a family here. Everybody gets along, and it's just that family mentality here.
When everyone works together, great things happen.
We kind of have a big family that's not your family, essentially. So, we all help each other. We all work as one team, and that's how we've been so successful.
At GAF, manufacturing is cool because it's about teamwork, learning, and creating something amazing together.
David, come on, it's time to go.
Wow, manufacturing is really cool. I can't wait to get to GAF.